Around the globe, U.S. Air Force aircraft fly into harm's way. Laser weapon systems offer air crews an unprecedented capability to protect themselves and other assets and increase overall combat effectiveness.
The U.S. Air Force Research Lab has begun building a pod-mounted laser weapon designed to keep friendly aircraft safe from enemy missiles. The Self-Protect High-Energy Laser Demonstrator (SHIELD) pod is under construction at Kirtland Air Force Base, New Mexico. If successful, one of SHIELD's descendants will protect older Air Force
The SHIELD pod, which the Air Force worked on with Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman, will consist of three major subsystems including the pod itself, the laser, and beam control. AFRL received the pod this month, and the two remaining subsystems will arrive later this year. Missiles dominate modern air-to-air combat. Aircraft are at risk from air-to-air and surface-to-air missiles, both of which fly at Mach 2+ in order to catch up to and intercept planes. These missiles fly too fast for conventional guns to reliably track and destroy them, particularly since an outgoing projectile is subject to wind, gravity, and other factors. Pod-mounted laser, including successfully flying an F-15 and F-16 with attached laser test pod, and the successful shoot-down of air-launched missiles using a ground-based system configured to represent the laser system's self-protect aspects. SHIELD is a tech demonstrator, meaning it will never see combat. But if it's successful, it will eventually lead to a pod-mounted laser for other U.S. Air Force aircraft. Older fighters like the F-15 and F-16 could strap on laser pods for active protection from missiles. Meanwhile, transports like the C-17 Globemaster III, tankers like the KC-135. In the video, F-16 fighters wield TALW, but it's not hard to envision a self-contained system someday arming otherwise unarmed airplanes. The Air Force expects to conduct a full test of the SHIELD laser pod in 2024.